Yes, hello folks. You know me, advising is my hobby. And I had some free advice to the NDC recently. I said, tell no lies, claim no easy victories, and don't mask any mistakes. That's the advice I give to the NDC. Free! Now, MPP, I have advice for you. The advice I have for you is this, my dear MPP people. Stop misfiring. You are misfiring rapidly and very, very quickly. And guess what, my dear friends? If you don't stop misfiring, it could lead you into relegation. If you don't stop misfiring, this can lead you into relegation. Join me today on TALKSHOP when we really analyze and get deeper into this. See you this evening.